Where do you think you're going, man? Huh? Huh? What the fuck? You think you're tough? Think you're tough? I'll rip your fucking head off! Don't you wanna play anymore? You like hide and seek? You like hide and fucking seek? Well, we're coming for you, asshole.
What's the matter, little boy?
Ready or not.
It's our turn now.
Run! Run! He's making fools of your wall. Check the shadows.
Nothing wrong with getting a little entertainment out of this. I'm coming over to drag you on into this chicken shit. Could do with a trip to the three-hole. Okay, I ain't going no further without my slack man. Shit, nothing we can do for him. Just stay. Come on, you no-show turkey. I got it.
He's making fools of us! Get out there and find him! Somebody tag that bastard before he runs us all into the ground.
War dogs, we gotta search and clear this area now. He's here, so heads up, boys, all right? Boys, keep it tight. He's picking.
Target acquired!
Hey, Dubs, I got a pop. Come on, war dog.
You want your mom right? This is the party.
I saw him first, you pussy!
You up a bit.
Look alive! I see the bastard!
You should see your ugly face.
Skunk!
CYA, boys! He's trying to lure us into a kill zone! Keep it wired. He's here someplace.
Jeez, I'm horny. Stiffer than a geriatric's hip.
He's hunkered up! Get him! We gotta see what's over here.
I'm crashing this party! Lick the boots! Board off!
Asshole! Hey, don't be my crosshair!
Boys! I see the runner. He's right over there.
Get in, you idiot! Get in!
Pull over! Pull over! Who are you? I've seen your face before.
Get off of me! I'm a reporter! I was at your execution!
Keep talking.
I've been following Starkweather's little operation for months.
Who's Starkweather?
The guy that's been talking you through this whole circus of death? Look, I've got all I need to expose that sick bastard, but he's definitely on to me now. So I have to get back to my apartment, collect my material, and get out of town before I become another one of Starkweather's extras.
You can bring him down? This Starkweather?
Absolutely. This is gonna make my career.
Okay, let's go.
Huh?
To your apartment. Drive!
We've lost. What? Now you fucking... Oh, shut up and get some of your boys to take care of it. Don't file the arrest report. Don't kill him either. Send both to me.
Hey, remember who you're talking to, you son of a...
Listen, you fuck. It's your job to clean up the city's mess. That's what you get paid for.
shit.
Okay, pull over here.
But it's another block or two to my apartment.
Just shut up and stick with me if you want to stay alive. Stay here out of trouble.
Trains will start running through
I'm
here.
coming over, so no sudden moves, okay?
You sure you saw something?
Well, I guess I must have been hearing things.
Move when I move.
Okay, just don't leave me behind.
Wherever you are, come out into the open. You're under arrest. What the? Fuck it. I can't find him.
know you're here! Okay, you blew it!
Look, I probably think this is time to dish out a little CCPD justice. We're your only hope to get out of here alive.
Shit, this is... Oh!
You coming or what?
My place is up a floor. Hold on, I'll just unlock the
Stick
door.
close and keep quiet. I'll check ahead.
All cops have built-in bullshit detectors. And we even shoveled some high-level BS tonight.
This is your last chance to run! Because when I'm finished with you, you're gonna wish you were dead!
This is the darkest 10103M I've attended.
Carson City Police! They're not the best Carson City Police! He's a screwed up hobo!
Filthy wino.
Can't wait here all night. Wait for you to fall asleep.
I'm certain I heard something. Oh well. Okay, everybody, come on, wherever you are. There's someplace else. Damn, this is like the beginning of some horror movie. Oh, you beat him down! Filthy wino. Don't make it any harder on yourself. Hey, pal! I got a bottle of bourbon. You sure there's no other way out of here? Well, I'll be a... I could have sworn. policing. He's armed to the teeth. Give me some support here. Drunk. Break him!
You help. All right, boys. In position, boys. I set him in position. He's just waiting for me to go in there alone. Lose! I see this!
Everything I need is in that box under the table.
Good. Take it and get out of town.
But you're not coming with me?
I'm going to deal with Starkweather personally. Thank him for my second chance. You're my backup if I don't make it. Have a nice life.
Dispatch, seal the perimeter. Snipers have been ordered to move in.
Shit! 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 We got plenty big trouble!
Come on, let's flash that bastard out!
You might as well show yourself. CCPD boys got a posse. Junkie. And concussion grenade. Just throw the liquor out into the open and come out with your ass in the air. I'd say you guys rush them, and I'll give you cover. You don't want us dragging you out of there. Could get really messy. Well, just as easy to see this thing come to a people like you are.
Oh, hell! We got ourselves a multiple homicide investigation.
CCPD, get over here!
Try someplace
We got your wife back at the precinct. A room full of horny cops.
I think that slime ball has slipped away somehow.
I see you, you piece of... Only thing these homeless people understand is a
Sure, you'll never get out of that subway alive.
Roger, we're at the station.
This is Charlie Leader. Power has been shut off. Repeat, power is off.
Fuck, there he is! Look, Bud.
Shit him down until he stops moving.
Stinking
Just
hobo!
making it difficult for yourself. We can end this here and now.
Oh. Don't fucking move!
Don't fucking move! I know you're there, punk, and my boys are coming to surround you.
This is Bravo Leader. Regroup at the tracks. Roger, Alpha Team. Charlie is en route from the precinct as we speak.
Time's running out for you. Shit out of my guns.
This stinks of some...
Hold him! I ain't gonna hurt you. That's a negative on that possible. How you doing over there? was attempting to evade, but I still don't want to stay our target. There's our person! Fast one!
Oh yeah, like
Watch
I'm
your
falling
back
for that.
SWAT, I think I Shit. I got him pinned down. Send in reinforcements. Screw! I'm with you, buddy! Target is lost! How are we supposed to storm some guy that ain't holed up? Well, that's another evening I won't get to see my kid. If I'm putting my life on the line, I'd like to know why. Who is this guy, anyway? We can't track a perp like this. We're supposed to just kick in a door or something. Almost saved up enough for that boat. Then the Force can kiss my ass goodbye. Gotta cut back. Watch it! I think he doubled back! Just a matter of time now.
See, give me some.
This is dispatch to Adam 11. We have a code 1. Suspect is presumed to be heading your way.
Give me a hand over here. I think I got something. Okay, game's up, punk. Another false lead. Fast. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Fast bastard.
Hey! City police!
Stop, Paul. We just gotta wait till he falls asleep.
That was no pretty sight. We're just as eager to see this thing come to a peaceful end as you are. Give me a hand here.
Can anybody get a clear shot? I'm in position! I said I'm in position! He's got me pinned down! Move your asses! Okay, I think he's just over there. Come on, we can corner him!
I got help has arrived, boys. Come on, guys, give me some help here.
Swamp this area! Now! I've located the perp! He's over here! Where are you? Oh.
You're too... I see him! See him! He's just waiting for me to go in here alone. I think he's just over there.
We got smash his knees! Don't move a fucking muscle, you...